In this video, I will show you how to unlock the full potential of your assistant by connecting Gmail and Google Drive directly to Claude. This integration is a total game changer because it allows Claude to reference your personal documents and emails to provide much more relevant answers. To get started, open your web browser and head over to claude.ai. Once you are logged into your dashboard, look for your profile icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen and click on it to open the menu. From there, select the option labeled Settings. Within the Settings menu, you need to find the section called Connectors. This is where all the third-party integrations live. Look for the Google Workspace option, which conveniently bundles both Gmail and Google Drive together into one single connection. Click the Connect button right next to it. At this point, a new window will pop up asking you to log into your Google account. Simply select the account you want to link and carefully review the permissions. After you click the Allow button to grant access, the connection will be established. Now you can ask Claude to summarize recent emails or find specific details inside your spreadsheets and documents without ever having to leave the chat interface. It makes managing your digital life so much easier and more efficient than before. Now that you have everything set up, you can start leveraging your own data to get smarter insights. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope this helps you boost your productivity with Claude today.